Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special one because it's a little collab with a new brand called AROMA Soaps. So Neeta Maushi and her sister Sucheta Maushi have started this new brand of handmade soaps which come in different shapes and fragrances, and that's what today's video is going to be about. So I've been using these soaps since months now, but today's video is specially talking about these 5 soaps. Okay, so the first one I want to talk about is the cutest soap, and it is the watermelon soap. So this is the cutest soap amongst all of them, and I think it's very attractive. So by the way, this smells like a mocktail, like a straight up watermelon mocktail, and this has basil seeds in this upper layer, so it's good for exfoliating and getting rid of dead skin cells. So this also has vitamin E oil in it, and all of these soaps have 2 essential oils in them. So yeah, this smells very tropical and fresh, and yeah, this is the cutest shape and cutest like concept. Okay, so the next one is actually my most favorite out of all of this, and it is the Kesar Chandan soap. This smells divine. If you like the scent of Kesar, then I think you are going to love this one, and this one lasts on me the most, I think. And it has the actual Kesar threads in them. Very fragrant soaps, and they leave your skin nice and moisturized. None of these soaps make your skin drying because it has the essential oils and shea butter in them. So yeah, this is my most favorite one, and I recommend you to try this one for sure. So next one is the black one. It is the charcoal soap. So this has the actual activated charcoal powder in it, and as you know, charcoal is really good for oily skin or people who have acne problems. It cleanses your pores. It's a great cleanser, and this soap is actually really good to use on your skin as a skincare product. And this one has cactus and aloe fragrance, and I do smell it. They are really good for oily skin and to cleanse out your pores. The next one is also one of my favorites. This one is the Papaya Cucumber soap. This smells very fruity and fresh. Cucumber gives a nice cooling effect, and papaya is really good for removing dead skin cells. This one also smells very nice and fruity, and I think this is my second favorite. Okay, and the fifth and the last soap is the Lemongrass soap. It has this nice green color. Smells exactly like Gavti Chaha, so if you like Gavti Chaha, you're going to love this one. It has vitamin A and vitamin C oil, and that actually helps to give your skin a nice glossy finish. This has a very unique fragrance, and this one is also very good for oily skin to control excess oils. Okay, so these are all the 5 soaps that I have right now with me. The others I used up months ago. Hey guys, sorry for the change in background. I am actually currently editing this video, and I found out that we had this soap from months ago, and it's in the Burberry variant, and it's a very pretty pink color and a flower shape. So I didn't know we had this. My mom just gave it to me right now, so I can't wait to use this. And there is Tanu, he says hi. And there are more varieties in this. So they have more types like lavender, mogra, coffee soap, red wine, almond walnut, powder rose. Huge variety, and they also come in very cute shapes like heart shapes, flower shapes, different shapes. So if you're based in Pune, they will deliver it to you because this brand is also based in Pune. But even if you're out of Pune, you can order it and they will courier it to you. So the individual soap starts from 50 rupees, and let me tell you, I think it's totally worth it because these last you definitely more than the regular soaps. I just feel like such fragrances can lift up your mood, and it's great to start your day with a nice fresh scent. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly add a little video of them making these soaps. So yeah, these are cruelty-free, made in India, super fragrant and great quality soaps. They also have an Instagram. This is their name, and I'll link it down below in the description box. Do check them out. So you can DM them to order, or you can text them on WhatsApp. I'll leave all the details down below. But I hope you check them out and spread the word. These are also very nice for gifting someone. And as I said before, this is the best time to support local brands. So I do hope you check them out. They are really nice quality products at a good price. They are very long lasting, and these 5 I think they are going to last me months and months. So yeah, I really hope you check them out. I'll leave all the details down below. Give me a thumbs up, check them out, go follow them and show your support. And subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!